Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our Allen's Keynote Revision series with our next drug, sulfur, common name brimstone, flowers of sulfur, the element sulfur. Constitution: adapted to persons of a scrofulous diathesis, subject to venous congestion, especially a portal system. Persons of nervous temperament, quick motioned, quick tempered, plethoric, skin excessively sensitive to atmospheric changes. For lean, stoop shouldered persons who walk and sit stooping, walking stooping like old men. Children cannot bear to be washed or bathed. Emaciated, big bellied, restless, hot, kick off the clothes at night, have worms, but the best selected remedy fails. Dirty, filthy people prone to skin affections. Mental generals. Happy dreams, wakes up singing. Everything looks pretty, which the patient takes a fancy to. Even rags seem beautiful. Too lazy to rouse himself, too unhappy to live. Movement in abdomen as of a child. Physical generals: aversion to being washed, always, which is aggravated after a bath. When carefully selected remedy fails to produce a favorable effect, especially in acute diseases, it frequently serves to rouse the reactive powers of the system, clears up the case. Complaints that are continually relapsing. Patient seems to get almost well when the disease returns again and again. Standing is the worst position for sulfur patients. They cannot stand. Every standing position is uncomfortable. Scrofulous psoric chronic diseases that results from suppressed emotions. Congestion to single parts. Eyes, nose, chest, abdomen, ovaries, arms, legs or any organs of the body, marking the onset of tumors or malignant growth, especially at climacteric. Sensation of burning on vertex and smarting in eyes, in face without redness of vesicles in the mouth and dryness of throat, first right then left, in stomach, in rectum, in anus and itching piles, and scalding urine like fires in ripples, in chest rising to face, of skin of the whole body with hot flushes in spots between scapulae. Discharge both of urine and feces is painful to parts over which it passes large quantities of colorless urine, parts around the anus red, excoriated. All the orifices of the body are very red. All discharges acrid, excoriating wherever they touch. To facilitate absorption of serous or inflammatory exudates in brain, pleura, lungs, joints when bryonia, kalium or the best selected remedy fails. Chronic alcoholism, dropsy and other ailments of drunkards, they reform but are continually relapsing. Hot flushes during the day with weak, faint smells passing off with a little moisture. Head, sick headache every week or 2 weeks, prostrating, weakening, with hot vertex and cold feet, constant heat on vertex. Mouth, bright redness of lips as if blood would burst through. Gastrointestinal system, weak, empty, gone, or faint feeling in the stomach at 11 am. Cannot wait for lunch. Frequent weak, faint spells during the day. Diarrhea after midnight, painless. Driving out of bed early in the morning as if the bowels were too weak to retain their contents. Constipation, stools hard, knotty, dry as if burnt. Large painful, child is afraid to have the stools on account of pain, or pain compels child to desist on first effort, alternating with diarrhea. Hemorrhoids that have been treated with ointments. Female reproductive system, menses, too early profuse, protracted. Menorrhagia has not been well since her last miscarriage, a single dose at a new moon, lippy. Respiratory system, nightly suffocative attacks, wants the doors and windows open, becomes suddenly wide awake at night, drowsy in the afternoon after sunset, wakefulness the whole night. Extremities, cold feet in daytime with burning soles at night, wants to find a cool place for them, puts them out of the bed to cool them off, cramps in calves and soles at night. Skin, boils coming in crops in various parts of the body, or a single boil is succeeded by another as soon as the first is healed. Itching, skin itching, volupus, scratching, which is better by, feels good to scratch. Scratching causes burning, aggravated from heat of bed, soreness in folds. Skin affections that have been treated by medicated soaps and washes. Modalities: at rest when standing, warmth in bed, washing, bathing, changeable weather. Amelioration: dry, warm weather, lying on the right side, reverse. Relation complementary to aloes soranum. Ailments from the abuse of metals generally. Compatible to Calcarea, Lycopodium pulsatilla, Sarsaparilla, sepia. Sulfur calcarea lycopodium or sulfur sarsaparilla and sepia frequently follows in given order. Calcarea must not be used before sulfur. Sulfur is the chronic of aconitum and follows well in pneumonia and other acute diseases. Thank you.